Hey there. We're going to do 3 flowers and 1 picture using the Dandelion and the Pitch Black from Ranger. So let's get going. All right, I'm going to put my yellow down first. Get it dried. I'm going to try to keep these circles small because I want the flowers to be on the smaller size. So I just I want to do that. Now I'm using this one now because the second one seems to spread out quicker than that first one. So we'll do that. Let's go with that. Also, I have found, because I had filled this up before I started working, and this is my 3rd attempt, when it's filled up, it really puts out a lot of alcohol when you're wanting a drop. So I've learned to put it pretty low, and that way it's a lot slower to push that alcohol out. So that's my tip of the day. I want these flowers to be on the smaller side, maybe a little long petaled, but I want them to stay compacted. I don't want them to really flare out. I wasn't sure what this pitch black was going to do with this yellow. I was afraid I would get some green, but it looks like I might be getting a little bit, but it's pretty. If at any time you feel like you're not getting enough yellow, just add another yellow drop up here. Get it dried before you start trying to make it into petals. All right. I think I'm pretty satisfied with that. Let's do the second one. I think I'm wanting them somewhere like this. Let's do that one here. And I might do a yellow up there. I'm really wanting to because I'm not seeing enough. Okay, let's back up. Let me get my hairdryer so I... Okay. I'm getting tangled here. All right. Let's see if that was a good choice or not. Got some yellow. Okay, I don't like that, so I'm going to go back over that. Okay, I'm going to go with that. All right, back to this one. And you can't say enough to go slow on these petals if you want them smooth. Now, if you want them to have the little jaggedness to them, then go pretty fast because that forces it to the side. Like that. It's amazing how both of those are coming out so different. Okay, my camera ran out, so I went ahead and finished. I'm still going back to wanting that one a little different. I just still may do a couple of petals. Okay, I'm going to quit with that. Now, the third one, I'm going to put probably right here. Let me get my blow dryer. Okay. Let's see what we get from these. I'm amazed every time you do this, you're going to get something different. It's almost impossible to predict. Okay. I think I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to take my black alcohol marker and I'm going to do the shape of the head of the flower. Get that in there, and then I'm going to go spray it with the varnish. I'll show you that in a sec. All right, one more. Now something I want to do before I spray too, because I want this to go ahead and be sealed, is I like the black dots up toward the head of the flower. Just randomly. Just add some fun. You can either let them follow the petals or just randomly in that area. But don't think too much. That'll drive you nuts. All right. I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and burr, is it cold out there. I've got this sprayed, so this is sealed. This isn't going to move. And now I can go in with my Posca pen and put the dots and kind of shape the head and shadow the head of the flower a little bit more. What the varnish does, let me show you. I've got the Kmart varnish. And what it does, of course, it seals this in, but it keeps the pen from absorbing the color that you put it on top of. So like here, it would pick up, you know, some blues and different colors like that. I've got pictures where it looks all right, but it's not what I wanted. It picks up that color. So by spraying it and sealing it, you kind of take care of that. And I just randomly put dots and spaces, and I don't put as many on this side, but I'll put more on this one. So you kind of get the idea. I won't make you sit through all of them. Okay, these are all done. I'm thinking since I use yellow, I'm going to go ahead and take yellow and put up. I'm going to take yellow and put it up in the head of the flower because I want that color pulled up. And I like how it's kind of getting muted. So I kind of like that look. Dry a little bit. All right, now for the stems. I'm going to put those in yellow a little bit, just to kind of give me an idea of where they're at. Then I'm going to take a more goldy yellow, maybe. Let me pick out some colors. Okay, I kind of found a real muted green. I think I want that because it kind of goes with this green up here, so it's not sticking out like a sore thumb. All right, and there you have it. All of them are different, so you can maybe get some ideas with that and play with some colors, and y'all go have fun.